Next, in JavaScript, we are going to do string templates. So here we are creating a file. I'm naming it as arr2.html. This is our first file, which is HTML file. And second file we are creating is arr2.js. It's our JavaScript file. Now we have to do linking. So we'll go to HTML file. This is our basic HTML code. And here, after closing of body tag, here we'll put script src equals to, and within double quote we have to mention the name of our JavaScript file, which is arr2.js. Save. Now we'll go to JavaScript file. Now in string templates we use backticks to define a string instead of double quotes. For example, we are doing like this initially. Let n1 equals to n1 equals to, we were doing like this, Java. So this way we used to define a string, but if we are using string template, we have to use backticks. These are backticks, and here we can say Java. So this is our first string. Let n2 equals to, here in same way I'm defining second string, which is script. Now here we are defining numbers. So here I'm saying let n3 equals to, here I'm giving value to this n3 equals to 4. It's not a string. And let n4 equals to, here I'm giving it a value of 11. Save. Now here we have given n1 equals to Java and n2 equals to script. Now we have to display its full name, JavaScript. So initially what we were doing, console.log, and here within double quotes, here I'm giving a message, full name equals to, and here we are putting this, and here we are doing n1 plus n2. Save it, go to HTML file, then go live, go to inspect, and here we can see that it has displayed our string full name equals to JavaScript. This way we were doing previously. Now if we are using, here we are using string templates, so for the same purpose what we have to do, here I'm defining one more variable, let, I'm giving it a name n5 equals to, here backticks full name equals to, and here we have to put this $sign, then we'll start curly bracket, and within this curly bracket we have to display the name of variable, which is n1, and for second variable again we have to give this $sign, again we have to start curly bracket, and here we have to give n2, put semicolon. Here this closing backtick should come at the end, and to display console.log, and here we can put n5. Save. So here we can see that it has displayed our string full name equals to JavaScript. Here if we remove comment from this line, we'll get to see this line twice. So this was earlier printing statement, and this is with that backtick. Now here we have done with these strings. Now we'll come to these numbers. Now n3 and n4 are two numbers. We have assigned two numerical value to one numerical value 4 to n3 and 11 to n4. Now first of all we have to do addition. Initially what we were doing, console.log, if we have to do addition, then addition is equals to, and here we used to put comma and then n3 plus n4. So here addition is 15. Now I'm commenting this line. Now I'll use string templates. So for that here I'm just declaring one more variable, let n6 equals to, and here we have to give backtick, and within these backticks we have to put addition is equals to, and then we have to put dollar sign, then we have to start curly bracket, and within this curly bracket we have to do n3 plus n4. And here we can display console.log. Here we'll put n6, save it. So we have already commented above addition, so whatever addition it is going to show will be from this string template. So here it is showing 15. If we remove this comment, the statement will be shown twice. For subtraction, let n7 equals to, and again backtick, subtraction is equals to, and here within this backtick only dollar sign, curly bracket start. Here I'm doing n4 minus n3, and then we have to print console.log n7. So here subtraction is 7.